Hello, CA final aspirants. My name is Tarun Raj. I'm your indirect tax faculty. As you all know that in Chennai, for taking face-to-face classes, I'm associated with Insight Commerce Studies, which is started by a set of people, young people who have lot of aspirations, and it is supported by many students, CA final students, particularly my students. And this particular initiative or project or coaching center, by whatever name you may call, is mainly to give face-to-face coaching in Chennai. And because how much ever technology may have gone upwards, anyway, but nothing can replace the Gurukul concept. So seeing the faculty and learning from him with a dedicated time that is devoted, sitting in the class without having any kind of deviations, mobile, etc. That is something which is a model which will definitely was working, will be working in future also. See, this technology may be momentary, but I'm not denying the fact that technology is not useful. Technology can only be complementary, but it cannot substitute. So I will always vouch for face-to-face classes, but of course, many students who are remotely not able to come to face-to-face classes, they don't have any other alternative, they should go for online classes, etc. But face-to-face is something which I will definitely take it for, because seeing the camera and taking the class is something which a faculty also find it difficult. Seeing the students, because we faculties get energy by seeing the students. So when we see the students, when we see the spark in their eyes, when a concept is explained, and when we see the spark in their eyes, we feel like they understood. And even the student also, they can really experience what the emotion of the faculty, what the faculty is willing to tell is possible only in face-to-face classes. So I'm always in for face-to-face classes. And so in Chennai, face-to-face classes are getting commenced for CA final. And first, my friend Punarvas Jaykumar sir is taking law crash batch, law fast track batch, and this law fast track batch is mainly for May 21 students. It is from February 10 to February 20th for 11 days, and this will be for 65 hours, and you can really try, and this will be in Nungambakam, Chennai. This particular classes, how it is going to be, etc. So my friend will join and he will be explaining. But right now I am just telling you about Punarvas sir. See, I have association with Punarvas sir for last 6 months to 9 months, but we got connected a lot. You all know that because we have done some Jugalbandi series, etc. And he's a very great personality, so down to earth, so empathic person, and our wavelengths matches, and he also willing to give lot of knowledge to the students, the real education. So not just masala or cheating, so it's purely real education he wanted to give, and therefore you can definitely enroll for his classes, you can try his classes. I'm really happy to welcome him to Chennai. So because from quite a long time I have been wanted to meet him in Chennai for taking classes. So I'm really happy, and even I'm proud to say that. So he is an amazing all India best law faculty. If you take across the country the best faculties for law, you can see him in somewhere in the top 3. So such a great faculty he is, and so he's coming to Chennai for the first time for taking classes. And I said him so Chennai students will definitely welcome, because here people like face-to-face classes. So please support his initiative of coming to Chennai and taking the classes. So thank you, because if you are not supporting face-to-face classes, you know what will happen. Ultimately the face-to-face classes will die, and people will say face-to-face class was history. And then the ultimate sufferers are not the faculties, because faculties will continue to take in online. So they will make money, and the next generation of faculties will not come, and even students will not get the qualitative knowledge. See, as a faculty, we are not only teaching, but we are also guiding you, we are mentoring you. So all this will be missed out. Please, I beg you, don't make face-to-face a history. So please support the face-to-face classes. That is very much required at this juncture, at this point of time, mainly for CA coaching. Online can only be complementary, but it can never substitute face-to-face class. And over to my friend Punarvas sir. So he will be joining and he will be explaining about his excitement in coming to Chennai, taking class, how the batch is going to be, etc.
Thank you, dear Tarun sir, for your warm welcome. And first of all, Vanakkam Chennai. I am super excited to come. Really, it's been always a dream of mine to come and teach at Chennai. I have visited the Nungambakkam CA Institute many times, but never have I got the chance to teach. So I would like to thank Tarun Raj sir for giving me an opportunity to teach at Insight Professional Studies. So without further ado, let us get into what I will be teaching and how many hours would it be, what would be the price and all those things. And incidentally, I'm coming from 10 to 20th, guys. This is the right time to fall in love with law, because February 14th, Valentine's Day. So let us start an affair, a love affair, a beautiful, long-lasting love affair with a subject very, very close to my heart, law. And once again, dear Tarun sir and the entire team at Insight, thank you so much. I am extremely elated and excited to be a part of this fast track batch at Insight starting from February 10th, 2021. Good evening, friends. Punarvas Jaikumar here. How are you doing? I'm coming with an exciting announcement. For May and November 2021, I'm hereby announcing a fast track batch. And for the first time ever, the face-to-face classes will be happening at Nungambakkam, Chennai, at Insight Professional Studies. So you can go to their website, call them, and they will give you all the details. So this, I'm very, very excited to take a face-to-face batch at Chennai. And since it's my first batch in Chennai, we are offering this entire fast track, which will be from February 10th to 20th, 2021. And the timings would be from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So the offer price would be 3,999 buddies, 3,999. This is only for the face-to-face classes. Sir, will the classes be recorded for the benefit of all the students? We go one step further. Not only would it be recorded, we are also going online live. So I'll be taking face-to-face classes in Chennai, and it will be streaming across every other part of India, including Chennai. So those who are in Chennai who do not wish to come face-to-face can also opt for live streaming. And those who are outside Chennai, in other parts of Tamil Nadu and the whole of Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and every other part of India are welcome to join this online live streaming batch. When I am doing the face-to-face classes, the same will be relayed across your laptop. So, sir, can I watch on a laptop? Yes. Can I watch on an Android? Yes. Is it Zoom classes? No. It is our own encrypted software which will be relaying the video to you. All right. The face-to-face will be in Chennai, but because of COVID, if you don't want to come to the class in Chennai, you can opt for online live, and even other parts of the country can opt for online live. Then, sir, I cannot attend face-to-face, I cannot attend online live. Can I take the recorded classes? Of course, buddies. This class will also be recorded, and dispatch will begin immediately once the class start in a couple of days, maybe February 12th or 13th. The dispatch, the Google Drive links will be sent, and the books also will be sent. Now, the offer price for the face-to-face is 3,999, whereas for online live, Google Drive and Android, it would be 4,500. For online live streaming, Google Drive and Android, for all put together, it will be 4,500. It's the same rate. For pen drive, it is 1,000 more. It is 5,500. For the Google Drive link, what are the views, sir? 1.5 views and 6 months validity, and the entire classes would be around 65 plus hours. Sir, what would be the materials that you would be giving within the same price, whatever price you're charging? What would be the materials given? So, buddies, materials would be module 1. That is the company law colored module. So I've come out with a very, very, attractive colored module which you will be getting. This is my material which is already printed, and it's completely in color, and there are a lot of blanks here which we will be filling right together after understanding the concept. Then module 2 would be just the previous year's question papers. Mind you, this is not a Q&A book, this will be a previous year's question paper booklet, where we will be discussing in class the answers to those questions. Sir, if I want to know how to present the answer, where will I get? Don't worry buddies, it's already there on my Telegram channel. The Q&A also is already there anyway. Apart from that, for economic law, what to do, sir? For economic law and some miscellaneous provisions in company law like investigation, inspection, mergers, amalgamation, those little tricky ones, what to do? Do not worry buddies, I have my handcrafted chart book. That also will be given. So 2 colored books, handcrafted colored chart book, and module 1 colored, 2 colored books, and 1 module 2 which only consists of the previous year's question papers would be given to you. It is all inclusive. So I'm super excited. So the methodology will be very simple, exam oriented study but exhaustive study. 65 hours, it will be in depth but good enough depth for the examination. What is the difference between this and regular batch? Regular batch will go on for 170 hours. It's extremely in-depth. That is for a holistic view of the law as such. But this is purely exam oriented. Around 85-90% of the concepts would be done in class, and it is good for the ones who are writing in May and November 2021 who do not want to opt for the regular batch. Those who are writing in November 21, I would suggest always go with the regular batch, but if you are like, no, I do not have time, I just 65-70 hours would be enough, then this is the batch for you. So buddies, I am super excited to come to Chennai, and also would like to meet all you guys across India. In fact, now the regular batch is going on and I have people across the country attending live. So this live streaming also is an option where you can ask me doubts. So right, live chatting also can happen. So I will be negotiating people's doubts and taking people's doubts face to face, people's doubts online live, and of course recorded classes you can watch later and ask me doubts on Telegram channel. So guys, February 10th to 20th, mark the dates. If you wish to meet me, please come and meet me at Nungambakam, Chennai at Insight Professional Studies. All the very best. See you soon. I am super excited to meet you all, either physically or virtually, whatever the case may be. I am super excited to come. Take care buddies. Bye. And guys, for more information on face-to-face classes, you can contact Insight Commerce Studies at 9150-938-938. But if you are interested in online live, Google Drive and pen drive, you can contact our office, Advait Learning. You can visit the website advaitlearning.com, or you can contact our office 9353164696. All right, buddies, take care. See you.